got your back. It's the Gay Daleks.
It's time for another adventure with the celestial gay stereotypes as they penetrate a red dwarf from behind in their galactic cruiser, the Turdus.
He has left me. I was too old and rattled, he said. So he has left and gone off with a chicken. I gave him the best years of my life. I still remember the night we met. It was so romantic. He offered me 2 hot days between the sheets. Then he stuck me in the airing cupboard for the weekend. We went through the good times and the bad. He taught me all the words to go west and Oklahoma. And when he was arrested for cottaging in Gloucester Public Lavatory, I managed to convince the police that he had simply slid on some sick in the cubicle and fell. How we laughed so long ago, so long ago. And now I'm left on the shelf without a friend to cuddle up to at night. Nobody loves a raddled, clapped-out old Dalek queen. Boo-hoo, I need a paper hanky. Oh, sod it, I'll have a wank.